going to show you how to sell crypto on Binance P2P in the simplest way possible. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the family. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and turn on the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. It means a lot. So head over to Binance Trade and select P2P. We will then select the sell option since we have USDT that we want to sell for fiat currency like Kenya shillings. Buy is when you want to receive crypto and then you pay using fiat currency. So on this page you can see the various cryptocurrencies that you can sell on P2P trading, and we can also see the various merchants and their prices that they are willing to buy the crypto at. So we are going to use USDT for demonstration. Next we are going to select the fiat currency, which is Kenya shillings since I'm in Kenya. Then the payment method, you can select from the various payment method. In our case we are going to use M-Pesa. That is the one that I want to receive money in. So the ads are going to refresh and give me the merchants who are taking the payment method that I'm going to select. This feature helps filter out the many merchants, and you remain with the merchants who fit the category or the type of order that you want to place an order with. Then on the transaction amount, you can enter the amount that you want to sell crypto at, so that merchant within that amount can also be filtered and pop up on your page. So I'm going to sell USDT worth around 3,000 Kenya shillings, and when you put in that, the merchant's ads are going to refresh and give me those that are within my range. We can see the range of amount that this merchant wants to buy crypto. We can also see the payment method that they want to use, and also you can see their username and the rate that they want to buy the crypto, which is USDT. You don't just match an order with just any other merchant. You need to check their profile to determine whether they are suitable and trustworthy for you to trade on P2P with them. On the profile you can see their completion rate, which is the rate at which they complete P2P orders when matched. So the higher the completion rate, the better it is to match with that merchant. You can also see the likes stroke the reviews where there is a thumbs up. So the higher the reviews, the better and safer it is to trade with that specific merchant. The time that you see there is the time that the merchant has set to make payment within. It can be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. So you match an order with the merchant that you feel that you can wait that time to receive payment. Please note that once you place a P2P order, you have to wait for that time to lapse. Either the buyer pays on time, or if they don't pay and you have selected a merchant with 45 minutes time limit, you will have to wait for 45 minutes until the order can be cancelled. Before then, your crypto are held at escrow. That means the crypto are not in your wallet and they have not reached in the buyer's wallet. This is a safety feature that Binance uses to protect its P2P traders, who are the buyers and the sellers. Also check the number of orders the merchant has completed on Binance P2P. This means that the more the orders, the more the time the merchant has spent trading on the P2P. And this means it's also safer to trade with a merchant who has more orders. You also need to make sure that you are placing an order with a merchant who is online. So check for the green dot, which means that they are online. If there is no green dot or it's gray, it means that they are offline and you might have to wait for a long time before receiving the payment because they are not on the platform. Also in the end, the order might end up getting cancelled, wasting your time. So always match with merchants who are online. Don't forget to check the prices that they want to buy the crypto at. Even the cent make a lot of difference when it comes to crypto trading, especially when you are dealing with large amount. So you want to go with a merchant who is willing to buy your crypto at a higher price. Once you decide on the merchant, you can click on Sell USDT and place an order. You will also be able to see the merchant's terms and conditions if he has set any, and also if you meet them, you can proceed with placing the order. Oh, I just saw I have 3.71 USDT on my funding account. The rest are in spot section. For you to trade crypto on P2P trading, you need your crypto to be in the funding section. So we are going to transfer funds from spot to funding. So let's head over to my wallet, then overview, then click on transfer. We are going to move crypto from fiat and spot to funding section. As you can see, on fiat and spot there is that 2.54 USDT. And that's it. The transfer is instant. As you can see, the fiat and spot has no balance, and the funding section now has 36.25 USDT. So now let's go back to P2P trading and proceed with our sale. After putting in the amount of crypto you want to sell, next is selecting the payment method that you prefer to receive the fiat currency. As you can see, I've put in M-Pesa as my preferred payment method. There's my number in case you want to contact me for collaboration or partnership. And that's it. Our order is placed. So now we are going to wait for the payment to be made, and this merchant has up to 15 minutes to make the payment, after which the order will be cancelled and our crypto will go back to our wallet. As you can see, the countdown is up. On this page you can see all the order details. We can see that we are selling crypto for a total of 3,000 Kenya shillings at the rate of 128.93 per USDT, and we are selling a total of 23.31 USDT. You can also see the payment method I've provided is M-Pesa, and my phone number and the name that will reflect. So let's wait for Daisy to make the payment, after which she will come and confirm that she has made the payment, and the payment received button will activate, and I can confirm that I have received the money. So before that, don't release crypto until you have confirmed in your bank or in your M-Pesa that you have received the money. Also make sure to maintain all conversation regarding P2P in this conversation section provided by Binance. Don't take the conversation out to WhatsApp or on calls. Just maintain all the conversation on this chat box by Binance. Anything you want to tell the merchant, you can type in there and they will see. It's a security measure by Binance. And this, in case of a scam or such things, Binance will use this for tracking and for security purposes to follow up on a case that may occur when trading on P2P. Okay, so the payment received button has activated, meaning that the buyer has sent the money and clicked that they have paid. But now we need to confirm that she has sent the money. So we are going to check our M-Pesa, since it's the payment method that we put. Then after confirming that we have the money, we can come and click payment received, and that's it. The order will be done. In an instance where the buyer has marked the order paid, but in real sense they have not sent the money to the payment method provided, you can appeal by clicking that appeal order after 10 minutes countdown, and the Binance customer care will look into the case, and when the buyer is found guilty or they see that you have really not received the money and the buyer is lying, they will release the crypto to you. Until then, the funds will be held on escrow. I just confirmed that my M-Pesa has received 3,000 Kenya shillings from Daisy, so I'm going to release crypto to her. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video up to the end. That's how you trade and sell crypto on Binance P2P. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also finalize by rating the trader. I rated Daisy positive as the trade was fast and I didn't have any negative experience trading with her. From my wallet, you can see that 23.31 USDT has been deducted. Also, by heading over to Binance P2P, you can check out the trade history and any pending order if there is any.